Hey guys, and welcome back. It's so good to see you here on the website. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Sebastian and I run a YouTube channel called Matt and Seb on YouTube. You can go ahead and check us out there. But basically what we do is we do Photoshop tutorials, we do Lightroom tutorials, loads of photography tutorials on our YouTube channel. So we've gone ahead and we've put together an awesome preset pack for this. Now what we've done is we've spent a lot of time, thousands of hours, putting together these in the style of artist preset packs. So for example, we have presets in there from anyone like Brandon Woeful, Sam Calder, Peter McKinnon, Jon Olsen, Dylan Firsty, people like that. And we've gone ahead and we've gone through their photos and we've mimicked their style and we've put together some presets. The idea of this is you can now spend more time on your photos, more time thinking about where you're going to take your photos, how you're going to take your photos and developing your techniques, than spending a lot of time on the computer sort of working out how to edit these photos. So basically all you have to do now is go ahead, take the photos, do what you love, bring it back to the computer and just paste it in, click the button and you have your preset applied and your photo is edited. And the best part is, once you've done this, you can then create your own style. You can go ahead and you can read some testimonials down below. We've got so many students so far that are really pleased with the presets they've already purchased already.